After 60, one simple kitchen habit can significantly boost your body's natural defenses without adding anything new to your routine. And it involves something you probably already have sitting in your pantry right now. But here's the surprising part. Cooking it actually makes it more powerful, not less. Today we're talking about tomatoes and the one compound that makes them truly extraordinary. As we age, protecting our cells becomes more important than it used to be. Oxidative stress, the natural wear and tear that happens inside your body every single day, increases over time quietly in the background without any obvious signal. And while you can't stop aging, you can give your body better tools to handle it. Tomatoes contain one of the most powerful antioxidants known to science. It's called lycopene. Research shows it may help protect your heart, your prostate, and even your skin from everyday damage. But here's what most people don't realize. Eating tomatoes raw is not the best way to get it. In fact, raw tomatoes may not be giving you nearly as much of it as you think. And the way you prepare them changes almost everything. Researchers at the University of Eastern Finland followed over 1,000 men for 12 years, carefully tracking their lycopene levels and their risk of stroke throughout the study. The results were striking. Men with the lowest lycopene levels had more than double the number of strokes compared to men with the highest levels, even after accounting for other health factors. Separately, researchers at Harvard School of Public Health followed nearly 48,000 men over more than a decade, tracking their diet in careful detail year after year. Those who ate tomato sauce 2 or more times per week had up to a 35% lower risk of prostate issues compared to those who rarely ate it at all. But here's the critical detail found in both studies. The benefits consistently came from cooked tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, cooked tomatoes, not from raw tomatoes or tomato juice. The reason comes down to one simple fact. Lycopene becomes far more absorbable once tomatoes are heated. Think of lycopene like a key trapped inside a locked box. In a raw tomato, that lycopene is tightly bound to the plant's cell walls, hidden away where your body struggles to reach it, no matter how much you eat. But when you apply heat, the cell walls break down, and the lycopene is finally released and set free. And here's the second secret. Lycopene is fat-soluble, which means it needs a source of fat to be absorbed properly by your body. Researchers tested this directly. People who ate tomatoes cooked with olive oil absorbed 82% more lycopene into their bloodstream than before, while cooking the same tomatoes without any oil made almost no meaningful difference at all. Raw tomato, minimal benefit. Cooked tomato with oil, maximum benefit. Here is the exact simple action you can start today. We call it the tomato rule. Step 1. Choose high-quality cooked tomato products, a simple tomato sauce, pure tomato paste, or canned whole tomatoes. Step 2. Cook them gently with extra virgin olive oil. Even just 1 tablespoon makes a real measurable difference. Step 3. Aim for 2 to 4 servings per week, spread naturally across your meals. That could look like a homemade tomato sauce over roasted vegetables, a spoonful of tomato paste stirred into your soups, or simply canned tomatoes heated with garlic and olive oil for a few minutes. That's it. No expensive supplements to buy, no complicated recipes to learn or follow. Just a smarter way to use something that's probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. People usually make one of 2 mistakes. Mistake 1, eating only raw tomatoes in salads and nothing else, week after week. Wrong. While raw tomatoes are certainly healthy, you're missing out on most of the lycopene they actually contain. Mistake 2, reaching for low-quality tomato products loaded with added sugar or unnecessary preservatives. Wrong. That defeats the entire purpose of the habit. Do this instead. Choose simple ingredients, canned tomatoes, tomato paste, or a plain passata with no additives, and cook them yourself with a little olive oil. And remember, more is not always better here. 2 to 4 times per week is the sweet spot worth aiming for. When you adopt this tiny habit, you're giving your body a genuinely powerful tool to work with. Over time, this simple change may help protect your cardiovascular system and support long-term prostate health. But just as importantly, you gain a real sense of peace of mind. Knowing that you're making a small, science-backed choice at dinner, one that quietly adds up over months and years. No drastic changes to your diet, no expensive supplements to remember or buy. Just one simple cooking habit, repeated consistently, week after week. Here on Well Lived, we look beyond the surface to understand what really shapes your health over time. Because what you repeat daily matters more than what you do occasionally. If this simple tip was useful, subscribe. Because your body remembers what you repeat. I'll see you in the next episode of Daily Longevity.